Hello, hello, welcome to Dotspot. Okay, how do we do expressions? How can we, though, not overcomplicate things? What are the simplest lines that we need to make an expression on a character? So let me just draw, couldn't be simpler, an oval for a face. Now, if we want to make him sad, let's see, we've got two eyes. He's looking at us. Okay, not very sad yet. What makes a character really sad? Oh, he's sad eyebrows. Oh, he's looking sadder. We can give him a very simple nose and then a big down mouth, and that makes him feel very sad indeed. Okay, what about, we're going to start with the same thing again. We have the same eyes like this. And this time he's going to be angry. Doesn't look angry yet. How does he look angry? The eyebrows come the other way, towards the center. Maybe his nose is a bit crinkled. And he's, is that sad? Oh, he could show his teeth like this. Oh, he looks very angry. Okay, how about frightened? So we do the same. But if he's frightened, maybe his eyes would just be tiny little points in the middle. And you could have more lines at the side. And and some rather expressful lines. He's looking a bit frightened there, isn't he? If you want to put some teeth in there, you can, or black out his mouth to make it even more exaggerated. How about bored? How do you make a character look bored? What is it? So let's start. Same eyes. What do you do when you're bored? You kind of look up and maybe like this. Bit bored. And maybe you could bring the eyes in a bit. You exaggerate it even more. Fed up. Whoa. How about excited? So we get the same eyes, same starting blocks. Excited. Looking at you like this. What is it that makes you feel excited? We could have the same eyes, the lines, the expressions, even outside of the face. And then a big, oh, how exciting, I'm so pleased to see you kind of expression there, which you can also fill in, and that really helps. Okay, if we get him looking right at us as well, it's even better. Wow, you can even elongate those eyes, the eyeballs, and really exaggerate. Wow, oh, he's so happy. Give him some cheeks. How about just content? There we go, same eyes again. Content. You just close the eyes in an up direction like that and have the smile quite high on the face. Content, I like that. How about sleepy? What do you do when he's sleepy? Okay. Oh, those eyes are starting to close. And maybe, just can't keep my face awake anymore. Looking pretty sleepy. And how about devious? Up to no good. Somebody's really up to no good at all. Maybe they're looking that way. See if there's anyone coming. Okay. But to make them look really devious, we're going to change the eyes. So you close the eyes into two little slits like that. And give him a smile. He's definitely up to something, that one. Okay, great. So there's some very simple ways to get lots of very different expressions using the same basics. If there's something that you'd like me to show you, then drop me a line in the comments below. Hopefully you liked it. Subscribe to my channel. That would be wonderful. Okay, see you next time. Bye.